యాక్చువల్గా సార్
ఓకే.
డి డ్రైవ్లో నేను ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను సార్. డి డ్రైవ్లో యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాను కేఐహెచ్ఎస్లో.
మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాదు గానీ డైరెక్ట్‌గా దీనికి క్లోజ్ చేయని చెప్తాను.
ఓకే సార్.
క్లోజ్ చేసి ఫైల్‌కెళ్ళండి. డైరెక్ట్ ఫైల్,
ఓకే.
ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ ఏదో న్యూ ఫోల్డరు లేదా న్యూ ఫోల్డర్ ఉంటది చూడు. న్యూ
విండో
ఫోల్డర్, న్యూ ఫోల్డర్, న్యూ ఫోల్డర్,
న్యూ
న్యూ
టెక్స్ట్
ఫోల్డర్
న్యూ విండో.
ఉందా? న్యూ ఫోల్డర్ లేదు ఇక్కడ.
లేదు సార్. న్యూ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్, న్యూ ఫైలు, న్యూ విండో,
న్యూ
ఓపెన్
ఫోల్డర్
ఫోల్డర్,
కింద
ఓపెన్ ఫోల్డర్.
సరే, సరే ఓపెన్ ఫోల్డర్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
ఓకే.
There you can select any one folder, any one folder.
ఇది
Just
నేను క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫైల్.
okay, పర్వాలేదు. Select folder. There at the bottom. Select folder. Click
ఇది
చేయండి.
బయటకు వచ్చి ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలా సార్, లేదా ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేయాలి?
ఒక్కసారి సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ అదే సెలెక్ట్ ఫోల్డర్ క్లిక్ చేయండి పర్వాలేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
వెళ్ళారు కదా.
ఆ,
ఇక్కడ సంథింగ్ న్యూ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి. న్యూ ఫైల్ మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి. ఫైల్ లెక్కి న్యూ ఫైల్ ఏదో పేరు .tf జస్ట్ క్రియేట్. ఒకసారి ఆల్ట్ కంట్రోల్ స్పేస్ బార్ వాడండి. తీసుకో. ఓకే, రాలేదు కదా.
రాలేదు.
సరే ఇక్కడికి రండి. ఆప్షన్స్లో టాప్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఐకాన్స్లో 1 2 3 4 5
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్.
క్లిక్ చేయండి సార్. క్లిక్ చేసి టెరాఫామ్ అని టైప్ చేయండి. అక్కడ టెరాఫామ్, టెరాఫామ్. స్టార్టింగ్ వన్ నుంచి చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్
ఓకే.
క్లిక్ చేయండి. దేర్ క్లిక్ ఇన్స్టాల్.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
Now after this, what will you do? Again go to maybe close your
ఓకే.
or else take new one, or else you take new file. .tf. Just create file. Now type something. If not, I think getting right. See,
ప్రొవైడర్.
provide. Got it.
సార్ ఇంక వన్ మోర్ డౌట్ సార్.
Okay, ask.
అండ్ సార్ మనం అక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు యాక్సెస్కి సెక్యూరిటీకి రెండు ఇస్తాం కదా సార్.
Access key, secret key.
ఆ సీక్రెట్కి ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం సార్? యాక్సెస్కి చూపించారు నిన్న.
Secret key also there only there, right? Okay, I'll show you today
ఓకే.
also because I already
కాపీ
mm,
సార్ డైరెక్ట్లీ.
removed that one, disabled that one.
ఓకే
I'll again enable that.
సార్. ఓకే సార్. దెన్ ఐఎమ్
Okay,
స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్.
okay, okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Right, I'm sharing my screen. Now tell me my screen is visible for you or not first.
ఎస్ సార్, విజిబుల్.
Yes, visible. Layout. Reduce style display. Okay. Now, even I am opening VS Code. I am opening VS Code. This is the VS Code.
రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారండి.
Yeah, I started.
ఓకే.
Starting. Even this document I am providing for you. Please try to follow this document. Today class only based on this document. I'm going to, this is not right one. We'll go for another one. What I may go for file. There I may go with open file. There downloads. There Terraform. What happens here? Or else Windows key E I am going. There downloads Terraform and AWS easy to make. There within that Terraform variables and data sources. This one I want to send for you first. Even I am opening. Even after this class also I'll send. Parallelly, no one is doing, right? Are you doing anyone parallelly? If no, I'll send later, or else I can send first, then I'll go for explanation. Now, you tell me, are you doing parallel anyone?
No, sir, we're doing later.
No. Okay. Once class is finished, I'll provide for this one, or else Alt F A. Alt F A. This is the README. It is a variable and data source. Data source. This is the .txt file. .txt file, just like, or else .txt. Sometimes README you cannot read directly. .txt file where I am saving on my desktop. Save it. Now just opening. There is our August batch. Desktop. README. README. Where is README? Did I save only? Ah, yeah, here is. Yes, correct. Now just you open it and observe. Open it and observe it. What I told, just I am opening VS Code. Everybody try to open VS Code. At least you can understand what happening here. See, if you want it, even you can create a here. See, maybe you click it. See, open folder, clone repository. Something is there. But our intention is today we are not cloning any repository. Just I am open folder. Shall I click on this? Yes. After clicking, just you go and get it one folder from any one drive. Maybe D drive I'm choosing. There I'm creating new folder. The folder name is okay. Terraform hyphen variables hyphen data source. Data source. This is my folder. I am choosing this folder. Select folder. Folder got selected. Folder got selected. Even I increase the font size. Okay, this is, I think it is visible for you clearly. All right. Here, there I am creating one file. See, new file. Here, check it here. More actions. There, new file is there. New file is there. Here, I am typing provider, provider, provider dot tf, provider dot tf. Enter. You know how to write a provider? Please respond anyone. How to type, how to write this? Just PR. This is our customized name. This is our user defined name. Whatever the name you can take. A.tf, B.tf, C.tf. But only naming convention, meaningful name I provided. This is the predefined Terraform provider block. Provider block. By make use of this provider block, I am using AWS. Well known, everybody known, right? Provider AWS. There we need to provide three things. What are the three things? Anyone tell me? First one is the region. Region. Region is equal to everybody know. What is the region here in our
AP
scenario?
South 1.
AP,
South.
South one. South one. In this way, if you follow, very easy to learn the subject. I think first one is clear. Second one is at least you know one or two letters. Maybe you know access key, right? Just A I typed. Oh,
Yes,
it
sir.
is intelligence access key. Just is equal to try to use double quotation. That is over. That the internal feeling is. Next you go for secret key. Secret key. Yes, secret key is there. Again double quotations like this. You got it. You got it. Now, where will you get it from these things? For that, we'll try to open. Just go to here. There, AWS management console. There, console. Just G. Next. Oh, you know. We will move to, I think someone is trying to join again. Anyone? Am I audible? Hello.
Ah,
I
Yes,
got
sir.
disconnected.
yeah, connected.
Now I connected. Previously, I don't know why I disconnected.
Yes, sir. Now only connected, sir.
No,
మీరు
no.
ఏదైతే ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారో అదే
Oh,
విండోలో.
that window I used, I think
యా
maybe.
దట్స్ వై ఐ కాల్డ్ యూ.
Okay, okay, okay. You can't hear. Anyway, I'm trying to see. Now it is. Now
ప్లీజ్
my
షేర్.
screen is not visible.
ఎస్ ఎస్.
Okay, understood. Now I got a call. Then I realized I think something was wrong. Anyway, now
Sorry,
it is
అంటే
visible, right? Now it is visible, right?
ఎస్ ఎస్.
Now see here. I'm taking new window. AWS Management Console. Now it is. I think it is open. No, it is not opening. See, I'm clicking right side top. There on the email ID. There security credentials. You know it. You know it. There actually yesterday what I said. See, access key. What I did in the sense I disabled this one. Even I am removing this one. Even I am removing this one. Delete. For this, no problem. Many times you may disable it. Many times you may enable it. Control C. There I am. Control V. You no need to do because of here my access key secret key many people are viewing. That's why every day I'm doing this activity. Even create access key. Yes, this one. Create access key here. Now once it is see, I think so there. Here access key is there. Here secret key
Yes,
is
sir.
there or not? Check it.
Yes, is there, sir.
Simply I'm going to Windows key notepad access ACCE access key colon. There I'm taking this one the same way. Secret key SK secret key. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, till now clear? Right. Now just minimizing this. Even I am download in future purpose. Maybe root key to having that one. I hope you got the clarity. Now I am getting this one. Got it? Copy it. You know where you want to paste it on your VS Code. VS Code. VS Code. This is access key. There in right any space is there? No space. In the same way, you go for you are trying to get it from this secret key. Copy it. Paste VS Code. This is the regular process, regular process. But in real time, this is the one-time process, one-time process. I hope you got this one. Provider is clear or not? Control C, provider
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. What is the second one we did? Resource, right? Second one we did resource. Which resource we created yesterday? EC2. Got it or not? EC2. For that, what I may do here? I am clicking here. Again, new file, EC2, EC2 dot tf ec2 dot tf. Just enter. What we used here? What is the block here? We used resource block. Resource block. In this resource block, this is the resource resource type, then resource name. What is the resource type? AWS underscore AWS underscore INSTANC instance. AWS underscore instance. This is the resource type. Which resource you want to create? Resource block, resource type is the resource name. What is the name of the resource? Just easy. Just easy. Just easy. Yet mainly we discussed yesterday three arguments. Here technical words are important. Arguments. What is the first argument I used? AMI. Got it or not? AMI is equal to
AMS.
something. Here according to Terraform resource is the Terraform just resource file, resource space, it is space. With the space if you give or not, no problem. But the standards they are following, this is the argument, space is equal to, this is the value, this is the value. Okay, we'll add it. Next, after that, what I use
Instance
here,
type.
instance type is equal to, again double quotation. Next, after that tags,
Tag.
tags is equal to, tags is equal to, open curly brace, closing curly brace. Here in place of key you must write, that is the key is nothing but name, that name also capital N. Name is equal to, even I am giving just EC2, just EC2. Yeah, today, yesterday, everything we did right. Yesterday, this is did properly. Yesterday, this one done properly. Today, I want to apply a new concept, a new concept. Maybe yesterday everything is okay. I want to enhance this one. Dynamic nature I am providing. How can I provide dynamic nature? Now leave this one as it is. Just control S. What is the third file I am taking in the sense? New file. C variables. VRIA variables.pm. What I am taking? Variables.pm. In variables, you need to type variable. Variable. See, here is the variable. The name of the variable you want to specify. Is the variable block, name of the variable. Assume access key, access key, access, or otherwise access key simply. Access key I am taking. See, here, description. Is there or not? Description. Whatever the value you want to write it. So AWS access key. I am writing AWS access key. After that, type, type, which type that is? Type is equal to string. Type is equal to string. See, access key is string type or not? Yes, string type. Default is equal to, somewhere here written right, provider, within the provider you copy this one, you copy this, control C. We won't reveal access key to anybody. For that, what I am doing, I am specifying in variables. This is the value, I am specifying here. Control. Now in the same way, I am creating one more variable. Quickly, it one more variable. Again variable. Again variable. Here what we are writing? SECR. It is secret key. Secret key. Again same three arguments only. What are the three arguments? One is the description. Description. AWS. SECR. It is secret key. Next. Type. Type is equal to string. Type is equal to string. Then we go for default. What is the default value here? Just go to provider. This one you take. Control X. Control X. Where I want to move variables, there I am pasting. Control. In the same way, I need to create one more variable. For which purpose you want to create variable? For AMI. For AMI just. What is the name here? Again description. There I am not writing. Simply I am writing AMI only. Next, what is that? Type. Type. So many types are there. Now I am using only string type. Only string type. Now next one, default. Default value. What is the default value? Till now we don't know AMI, right? You tell me EC to AMI or Ubuntu AMI. That is your wish. EC to AMI or Ubuntu AMI. We'll take anyone.
Yesterday we
Ah,
EC.
we took Linux based, right? Linux based. EC2 only, but Ubuntu
Linux
based.
built yesterday.
Yesterday Linux based. Today we'll go with Ubuntu based
Okay.
instances. There I am just click launch. Automatically you'll get that. Now you select Ubuntu. See, this is Ubuntu AM. Ubuntu AM. Copy it. Copy it. Just you need to go there in variables. There you are pasting. Now see one more thing I am taking. I am copy pasting. I think you know this procedure, right? Already you know. Control C. Just control. Now in place of AMI, there instance type. Instance. INS instance. Maybe you may give underscore type or simply type. Instance type. Instance type. Now description. There is the instance instance is a string. And now which type of instance you want to create? Respond T2 micro or T2 nano, T2 medium. I may go with T2 micro, T2 micro. Now up to this, how many variables I created? One, two, three, four. Even I can go with region also. I can go with here also region. Control C. Now you know way of region representation. Region here is for Mumbai or Mumbai. Mumbai. Here is Mumbai. Here is AP South. AP South 1. Now till now clear, right? These variables, how to use it? These variables, this is the variable. Actually, first I need to create this. I created assume. This one I may use in provider first. You know variable names, right? You know variables. See, here is region is equal to, now observe where dot variable dot, which variable we created for which purpose? Region, right? Is there any name? Am I provided region? Region am I provided or not? Default for region. I think I didn't change properly. I think region. Last one is region, right? This is the region. See, I didn't mention properly. REGA region. Control S. Control S. Here, what is the speciality here? Others cannot recognize. See simply where dot region. Now observe and tell me who knows this belongs to which region? Others can able to know directly know or they don't know. They don't
We
know.
don't know.
Somewhere we mention that is important. Second thing, and now tell me here where dot access
Access
key
to.
autonom. This is user defined variable. Now in the same way, tell me where
Where
dot
the secret
secret key. Concept is simple, right? There is no specialty. In the same way, going to EC2, now quickly guide me. AMI. What is AMI here? Where dot AMI.
um,
That's all. Which AMI is provided? They don't know. Next, instance type also similarly. Where dot what? Instance type. Now, tags leave it as it is. We didn't create any tag, right? We didn't create any tag. Till now clear? Till now clear? Shall we go for creating? Shall we go for creating? Then we can go and enhance. Till now, is there any other requirement is required? I think no. I think no. AMI instance type tags is required. Now observe here. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. Simply maybe Control S or save all somewhere it is there. I think file. Where is save all? Save all is there. Yes, save. After that, here observe three dots. What it is there here? Observe here terminal. Terminal. Got it? Now I go or else very simple. Just select this folder. Select this. This is folder like Terraform variables. Right click. Very simple one. Right click. Are you getting anything? You are not getting anything. Actually, you'll get one option. An option. Now you try it. No, it is not giving anything here. Okay, no problem. No problem. Now, now I am in going to here. Terminal here. New terminal. New terminal. Got it or not? New terminal. Just I am I getting new terminal or not? See, I am in Terraform variables and data sources. I am in proper path or not? Please observe and tell me. I am in proper path or not? I created Terraform variables folder I got created. I am in Terraform variables. This continuation is there. Check it and tell me. Continuation is there. Terraform variables hyphen data source. Here also Terraform variables data source. See first statement. You know Terraform, right? Terraform init. Terraform init. No need to go anywhere. Simply you are here. You can modify here itself. You can execute here itself. Both will happen within one Visual Studio Code. See, it is downloading required plugins. Downloading Terraform has been successfully initialized. Step one is clear, right? What is step two? You want to validate. You want to validate. How can we validate Terraform? Terraform validate. Terraform validate. Successfully validation or not, successfully checking directory structure and syntax related things. Now Terraform plan, Terraform plan. Plan means it will show the resource in future, what it is going to be create, what it is going to be create. See, uh, till now clear, right? Just log file is created. When it is created log file, at the time of initiation only, or maybe at the time of creating, maybe which one? Flag. Now main thing is Terraform apply. This is whenever if I use Terraform apply, it will create one state file. Check it. Terraform apply. This is important. Parallelly observe here as well as here. One state file. Is it created or not? See terraform.tf state. Terraform.tf state. It is asking confirmation. Yes, I am giving. What it is doing? We are creating the actual resource. We are creating the actual resource. Is anyone facing any difficulty? Maybe it may take 1 minute. Meanwhile, we can interact. If you remember arguments, each provider block, each resource type having some arguments, each provider block and resource maybe generally here we can resource names, each name having some specific arguments. Based on the practice only, we can remember. EC2, AMA is there, instance type is there. In future, security key is there. In future, like that, maybe security group is there, security group ID is there, VP's ID is there. Like that, we can remember some names. Here also maximum 100 words are there. If you remember 100 words, the Terraform may be complete. But single day we can't remember. Okay, anyway, resource is created, right? The real resource got created. How can we check, Sudhir? How can we check? Go to AWS. Go to AWS. There we are in Mumbai region only, right?
Yes.
Suppose there we created Mumbai. If you go and check in North Virginia, no use. No use. There we are giving EC2. EC2. Now check the let's see. resource. But what is the drawback here in the sense? If I try to connect this, I am not able to connect. We'll do that one also. See, I am click. I am click. Here public IP is there. Well, good. Everything is fine. Even I private IP is there, public IP is there. Even I may click for connect, right? Click for connect. Now where is that? Here. I am going to connect. Even that also good. See, I am giving SSH. See what it is saying. A no associated key pair.
Key
Did
pair.
we create any key pair? No, right?
No,
Did we
no, sir.
create any key pair? No. Shall we go for that? Shall we go and implement that one? Yes. How to use key pair? How to write? How to apply key pair? Now just moving to our VS Code, or else first we are moving to EC2 only. EC2 only. I am in EC2. In left side, key. Where is that? Key pairs. One concept is there, right? Key pairs. Click on here. Click on here. You will create one key pair. You will create one key pair. And now tell me, which key pair shall we create? Create key pair. Maybe I am giving Terraform key. Terraform, Terraform hyphen key. Terraform key. Which type of key? Key pair RSA, Private Shamir, Adelman, that is PEM file. Private enhanced mailing. Private enhanced mailing. Just, just create key pair. Create key pair. Till now clear? Key pair got created. Key pair got created. Once key pair got created, we are moving to Visual Studio Code. We are moving to Visual Studio Code. Where that key pair is there, okay, automatically it will recognize. If not recognizing, we'll go for. I think key pair got created, right? Key pair got created. Now going to VS Code. There in instance code. In instance code, there you need to add key pair. You need to add key pair. There key name is there or not? Observe. We can represent in variables also, but I am, you know how to write variable, right? Again, I am not going. What is the key pair name? Please respond. Terraform, Terraform hyphen. I think Terraform hyphen key only.
Yes.
Terraform hyphen key dot pep. Terraform hyphen key dot pep. Just control yes. Control S. After this, what will you do? You may go for Terraform once again. Terraform up. Terraform. What is our intention? Resource want to recreate. Resource wants to recreate. Just yes. I think I saved right. See, one is destroying. Why destroying? That is the existing resource is destroying. After destroying, new resource will recreate. New resource will create. See, here you got, see, one to add, one to destroy. What does it mean? One to add means new one is creating. One to destroy means exist one is removing. Removing existing, new one will be created. Existing one only if you want to modify, maybe something to change. Something to change. Now it is giving an error. What is the error? Check it and tell me. It's request ID. The key pair Terraform does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Now, what is the problem here in the sense? Key pair got created, right? Actually, did we download that key pair? Where is that key pair?
Yeah,
Windows
we have
key.
downloaded, but in
Okay.
variables we are not defined. No?
No need. Directly I applied, right? Directly applied. Okay, 1 minute. Windows key. Windows key E. That key pair is downloaded properly. Yes, Terraform key. Now what will we do in the sense? This one we need to add it into that folder. And which folder you want to add? Just observe here. Here you want to add this. How to add here? How to add here? Right click. I want to add that file to here. Please respond. I want to attach that
File,
file to here.
file section, sir. Top.
Open only, right? Actually,
There, sir.
okay.
File.
Actually, I want to attach this. Attach here. Attach here. Now, I may go with another way. Other way in the sense, see what I may do. That one is right or wrong. This is maybe workout. New file. Now tell me new file name. Our file name is
Terra
Terraform.
file.
Terraform. Hyphen key dot pem only, right? Terraform hyphen key dot pem. Here is everything is fine. What I may do is Windows key E, Windows key E. Just I go for downloads. There double tap. Now move here. Control A, controls. In future, we'll try for other easiest processes. This is in my way. This is very simple. This is very simple one. There I am pasting. Control V. I think is it clear, right? Now I am trying to. Where is that file? This file only. I want to close this file. I want to close, or else as it is. Control S, saved. Saved. Now check. We'll go for once again, Terraform upload. Next, yes, giving confirmation. Again, getting an error. Resource AWS instance EC2. One resource AWS. Required ID. Which ID? Key pair. Terraform key.pem does not exist. Now I added, right? Now I added Terraform key.pem. Terraform. Spelling correct only, right? That is expecting which one? Terraform key. Terraform hyphen key dot pem only. I think I provided properly. In my way, there is no mistake. Right click, close or close out. I think that is okay. Here, file, save all. Where is save all? I closed everything, right? That's what. No problem. One second, I'll try for this. Key is not identified. That is the problem. It is saying we'll give, we'll try to give that clarity for that code. For that code. Where is that code? This is easy to write. I think I written key name, Terraform hyphen key dot pem. Remove double quotation, even remove double quotation. Control yes. There I'll go for. There it will work, but something not recognized proper. What happened? Has not been declared in root module. Root module. Key name. Key name. Spelling is right only. Okay, we'll check there. We'll check there in our documentation. Is there right? Where is the documentation? Where is the documentation?
In the VS code and you open, sir.
VS code only.
Other tab. Yes, sir. Read me.
This one. This one. There somewhere. There somewhere. Terraform key is there, right?
Yes.
Terraform key. Terraform key. We are also okay. Terraform key. Where is the word Terraform key? Check it and tell me. Key instance
Is there,
type
sir?
key name.
50 line.
That is the variable name. There also there they given variable, but I enter directly, right? Where that instance key pair. There is no much difference, right? There is no much
Yes, sir.
difference. They mention variable. They mention variable, but I given directly. Even you check it on variable, they mention how they mention. Somewhere variable is there, check it. Where is the key representation?
50th line, sir. I think so.
50th line. 50th. None. Default. Terraform key. Oh, they didn't use extension. They didn't use
Extension.
extensions. Extension no need to give. I think we don't give extension. We don't give extension. We'll try for this in this way. Okay. Now assume we are right. Assume we are right. Terraform apply. Yes. Now see, it is okay for that. A small silly thing. Actually, our intention is what? This is the extension. Dot fm. Resource got created, right? Resource got created. Now check it. You want to connect to that instance. That is our intention. You want to connect to that instance. EC2, EC2. This is new one is running. Now click on here. Now go to connect. Connect. Here see. Now see. Now you are getting or not? Terraform hyphen key. Terraform hyphen. This is nothing but key name. Just here from here after right? Windows key, Windows key, just going to where in downloads only. Yes, right click, then show more, paste it. Show more, paste it. Git bash, right click and paste it. This resource has been created by whom? Terraform. Terraform. That's why we're calling infrastructure as a code tool. Infrastructure as a code tool. Why it is not asking anything? It needs to ask confirmation, right? What was the problem? Connecting to. Now one small problem is there. Here is there any security group did we attach? Is there any security group did we attach? No, right? There is no security group. Till now, there is no security group. Shall we go for security group? We'll go and create one security group. We'll go and create one security group. How will we create one cell? Dynamically, shall we create security group or shall we go and get it from manual? That is your wish. Tell me. Shall we go and create with the Terraform security group or maybe manual security group and that will try to add into our Terraform? That is your wish.
We go with the Terraform.
Terraform only. If you
Yeah.
want to work with the Terraform, ingress and egress. How many of you heard the word? How many of you know the word? Ingress and egress. Ingress and egress. See, create security group. Create a security group for SSH traffic. Secure shell, right? Somewhere we discussed secure
Yeah.
shell. If you want to connect, you need SSH with port number 22. With port number 22. There see, we are using resource. We are creating one resource. This is the resource block, right? This is the resource type. Which type of resource you want to create? AWS security group. See, this is predefined. There is no right to change. This is also predefined. There is no right to change. Till now clear? This is only user defined. This is only user defined. You can give any name. You can give any name. But generally, secure shell or security group related to VPC. That's why they given VPC hyphen SSH. I think this line is clear, right? This line is clear. From here after, wherever curly brace open, wherever curly brace close means that is the block representation. That's why they are calling. Why they are calling? See, I am placing my cursor here. I'm placing my here won't visible. In Visual Studio Code, you may get resource block. One word, right? Resource block. This is the block of code. Block of code. This is the name optional. This is the description optional. These two things, if you require, you get. This is the extra things, just like metadata arguments. Metadata arguments. Anyway, name is one argument, description is one argument. The main requirement is what? This is ingress. This is in resource internally one more block like that. This is the ingress. Ingress. Ingress means inbound rules. Ingress means inbound rules. What we are doing? Description. That is again our wish. Allow port. Here main thing is from port to port. From port to port 22. You know SSH port number is 22. Which protocol? You may use TCP, UDP generally. TCP, UDP. Here we are using TCP protocol. If you want it, you can use UDP also, but best protocol is TCP only. CADR blocks. CADR blocks. This is IPv4 representation. If IPv6 is there means may 0 //0 you may get it. Here is IPv4 representation is 0.0.0 by 0. What does it mean? This is anywhere from the internet. Anywhere from the internet. What does it mean? Public access. Public access. This is inbound rules. What is the opposite of inbound rules? Outbound. Outbound. For ingress, for inbound, ingress. For outbound, what is the technical word? Aggress. What is the technical word? Aggress. See, here also same look and feel. Description is there. Yes, it is there. Allow all IP and ports outbound. This is the outbound. VOUND. Outbound. Now see, from port 0 to port 0. You may ask me, what does it mean? What does it mean? In security group, I am giving one diagram. Try to observe. Where is MS Paint? Windows here. That's what I told. Whenever AWS requirement, I may come to their MS Paint. See, this is your VPC. This is your VPC. In our VPC, you are creating one EC2 instance. This is our requirement. If you want to create EC2 instance, mandatorily security group is required. Assume this is our security group. Mandatorily security group is required. This is our SC. Any name we can give. Maybe for your ease and understanding, I am giving SC. This is what? This is what? EC2. For this security group, maybe this is the third party. This is the third party person, maybe end user wants to able to communicate to this assume, want to able to interact to this. He is not directly connected. He is first coming to here. Before coming to here, some more layers are there. Whenever if required, we can discuss on that. Assume he is able to connect this. Okay, connecting. With which port he is able to connecting? Our intention, inbound rule. Inbound rule. What is the port number? There we are using 22. 22. Port number is 22. Till now clear. Suppose outbound. He wants to go to outside. You want to go to outside. See, if I am coming to your home, I need your address. If I want to come to your house, I need your address. What is your address? 22. After my work is over in our home, where can I go? Where can I go? That is my wish or your wish. Anyone respond? What is my wish? My wish
No,
is nothing but here -1. One thing you need to specify 0 and 0. Try to understand. -1, 0, 0. This -1 represents any protocol. -1 represents any protocol. Any protocol. PROTOCOL. This 00 represents any port number. Any port number. Any port number. Any port number means already that is my wish. I don't want to ask you. That is my wish. Simply outbound is full access. Inbound is only we can access with 22 port number only. Generally entry is very important, exit is not important, right? Many cases entries they may take What about full protection? Some layers, security layers. In the same way they are using here from port is 0 to port is 0. Protocol minus 1 represent what? Any protocol. Any protocol. CADR block is what is IPv4. IPv4. This code you know you need to take. This code where you want to add this code, control C, or there also we can directly write it, but there also can we write manually, we'll try for that one, we'll try for that. Now observe here how where we are in. I think that is not the right, this one. Okay, there you try to add one thing. What you want to add? New file. The new file name is maybe SG security group dot tf, right? Security group dot tf. Now, what you want to add here? You know, resource. You know it, right? This is the resource. Even if time taking, you can understand clear. Resource. What is the resource block? AWS underscore security SECU security, I think spelling correct, SECU AWS underscore SECURI security group is there or not? Observe AWS underscore security. You may get intelligence. Then only you are correct. There they written VPC, maybe underscore SSH or VPC hyphen SSH. Here, if we give underscore, there also you need to mention underscore. That's all. After this, please respond. Please respond. They took name, right? Name is equal to. There you go for SSH or VPC SSH. After that, name means description. Description is for this is VPC SSH. This is are the only for understanding purpose. Now you go for ingress. This is one more block. Ingress. Directly you are writing curly brace, right? Ingress with curly brace. Observe here. Ingress with what it is there. Directly ingress with. Now you go for description. Maybe now which purpose? Inbound ports. Inbound inbound traffic. BOUND traffic. Now guide me. Here what is that? Name is there or from port. What is the from port? 22. What is the two port? 22. If you practice in this way, our brain automatically capture. Now, what is that? After from and after to. What is that protocol? I think, right? Protocol. Which protocol? Please respond. We used TCP, right? Used TCP. If needed double quotation, we need to mention. If not needed, okay. I think if you feel that is string. See, they are feeling string. That's why you need to mention within double quotation. After that, CADR block. I think is equal to square bracket 0.0.0.0 by 0. This is the anywhere from the internet. That means public access. Anywhere from the internet means public access. Even that too represents in the form of string. I hope you got the clarity. This is only for ingress. Same thing. We are going for egress. First, I'll write egress. Remaining thing I may copy paste. You go for egress. There, curly brace. There, I'm copy pasting these things. Control C. There, Control B. Now check it and tell me what are the modification. 0. Now 0. Next protocol is -1. Any protocol -1. Is there any other requirement?
Yeah,
I think no, right? Any other?
-1 is in double quotes.
Double quotes. Is there in double quotes there?
Yeah,
Is
yes,
there
yes.
in double quotes there? Yes, good. Now I think which is completed our security group name. Got it or not? This is what is the security group name? VPC. There in our scenario underscore SSH. How to mention this? How to mention this? There you need to mention. Here different. Okay. Okay. According to our requirement, we can add it. According to our requirement, we can add. See, which one you need to add it? VPC security group underscore IDs. VPC security group underscore IDs. I'll tell you how to add it. Here we are coming to here in our EC2. Observe here after key EC2 EC2 underscore. Where is that? EC2 security group. See security group IDs. I Where is security group? Security group,
That is
security group underscore not getting security groups only. Security groups. Now check it, small thing. VPC security group IDs. You need to add. Yes, see VPC security group IDs. What is that argument you need to add? This argument. After this, what will you do? After this, which one we created? Which one we created? Now observe, someone we created here, right? Where is that? SZ. How to represent this? Very easy to understand. First, this one you need to copy. AWS security group. Till now clear? Dot VPC underscore SSH. First, I am copying this. First, I am copying this. Where I am going? Where I am going? And within the EC2, there's the first paste it. If you give dot, system will provide automatically intelligence. If not providing, you try to add. I think providing or not providing. What is that? VPC. I think it is providing right intelligence. VPC underscore SSH. Then dot you need to give ID. Dot ID. Dot ID. Dot ID. Now I think everything is fine. That ID is taking or not? Not taking. You need to provide AWS security group. Why this? Need to adjust. Now I think everything is clear, right? I mentioned. Is it? I think not necessary in double quotation. Is it available or not? I think no, right? See, I think no. But where you mention within the double, within the square bracket. Why within the square brackets? I said somewhere one instance can support how many security groups? Anyone respond? I think somewhere I explained at the time of teaching AWS, one security group, one instance can support max 5 security groups, 5 security group IDs. Here I used only one security. Here I used only one. Now you try to run this. Control yes, control yes. Now just up arrow, up arrow. If anything goes wrong, it will tell something. What it is telling, a managed resource AWS security group VPC underscore SSH has not been declared in the root module. Root module. I think did I save or not? Did I save or not? Where
It
I
is not
created
safe, sir.
that not saved. Control yes. I think now it is saved. Now it is saved. You try for this. Up arrow without saving that may not recognize. Now it is waiting. Now it is asking confirmation. Yes. That is generating one ID. That ID we attached. See, one is added. One is changed. One is changed. Now our intention. What is our intention? Go to here. Please respond. There I need to go for instances. Instances. One instance is running. Select this. How many instances are there? I think existing one is removed, right? Check it here. Check it here. Only one EC2 is there. Not more
Yes.
than one, I think. Not more than one. Even clear filter. Even see this is terminated. New one is created. In future, we will see. Without terminating, we want to modify. But here, terminating and modifying is the fundamental stage, beginning stage. We are learning like this. Click on connect SSH. Now take this example. Now you know already. I think here it is there. There, right click, paste it. Now check it. It is asking confirmation because of security group in the sense firewall is created properly. Now firewall is allowing to connect. Firewall is allowing to connect. Is it connected or not? Check it. Yes, it is connected. If you want to
Correct.
create firewall, what are the main two things? What are the main two things? One is ingress and second one is egress.
Yes.
Ingress from port to port protocol, from port to port protocol, CADR block. CADR block. These four things are mandatory. In the egress also again from port 0 to port 0. What next? Protocol is -1. CADR block is same 0.0.0 by 0 anywhere from the internet. Anywhere from the internet. See, knowingly, unknowingly, we know many things, but you must do practice, then only you can remember. I think, see, here, I did small thing. What I did, I'll try to explain and wind the session. What I am trying to explain is, here is right? This one? Yes. Now observe what I am trying to explain this. Now what happens here? Not moving? Yes. Actually, the total things I can return in single file. Everything I can return in single file. But which is the good procedure is that is the segregation. What is the segregation? See, security group related things I place it in one area. Only variable related things I am placing in separate area. Is the very easy to implement. But every file must be in only .tf. .tf. Terraform recognizes only .tf files. Only that other files it cannot other files in the sense maybe here see is a log file. It is that is the internal HashiCorp corporation language. They developed a locking mechanism. In future we'll discuss what is the log file, what is the purpose of log file. Those things we'll discuss. Even maybe two more sessions also belongs to variables only. How many types of variables are there in the sense? 10 types of variables are there. Please try to remember how many types of variables. 10 types of variable representations. Today we understood only one kind. Only one kind. All these 10 kinds, it may take minimum 3 to 4 days. Minimum 3 to 4 days. Try to follow the documentation. If anything, maybe you may face some complexity. Maybe next session we may discuss on that. I think till now anybody facing any difficulty, if it is there, ask me. Otherwise, we may wind the session. Ask. I want to
No.
share document already shared, right?
Yes, sir. You share, sir.
Yes. You tried, you may get a problem. Even see, multiple times I did, even though I did what I written here. Terraform hyphen key dot pem I used. But what system is expecting? Yeah, I don't want extension. I want only key name. I want only key name. See, once again here, what I mentioned here EC2, this is important. Key name, you need to mention key one. You need to mention key. I think here no need to copy also. It will automatically recognizes. But anyway, we added. That is also best practice. Best practice. Why? Everything available here, right? Everything available here. No need to go and check it. No need to go and check it. Okay. Shall we wind the session?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'm going to screen record.
Thank you.